No, 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 no one punished me. I am doing super brain yoga. Yes, this Desi style Utak Baitak school punishment is now a hot practice across the world from Americas to Australia.
Yeah, well, people say it makes them smarter, Paul and Laura. It's called Super Brain Yoga, an exercise intended to pump up cell and neuron activity in the brain. Alzheimer's patients, seniors looking to stave off memory loss, and kids in classrooms are among those who say doing it makes them smarter.
Now take your right hand, cross over the left side.
A medical doctor in Los Angeles prescribes an exercise.
Inhale going down. He probably had a C average. I taught him these exercises, and by the next semester he was a completely different kid.
A teacher in Malibu saw similar improvements in her learning disabled kids. A Yale neurobiologist.
Yes, I do it every day.
And an occupational therapist.
Blow up. I think this might be the key to help unlock these children.
All are among those experimenting with an exercise to increase intelligence called Super Brain Yoga.
So how to do it? Stand with or without your shoes on a plain ground. Look straight and grab your right ear with your left thumb and index finger, and the thumb should be in the front. Similarly, hold your left ear with your right fingers. Left hand should be resting on your chest. Now do simple squats, full or half squats as per your convenience. Here breathing is important. Breathe in while squatting and breathe out while getting up. Do this 20 times. This is a super efficient brain stimulating exercise known for Indians for centuries. So what's happening here? When you hold both your earlobes from opposite hands, you are stimulating a part of the brain called the corpus callosum, which is a bridge between right and left brains. Scientists have documented ample stimulation of motor areas in the brain. Also, quick squats release what's called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factors from legs, which travel to brain and signal to hippocampus to increase neural connections. They have studied the exercise with EEG and have shown significant increase in alpha waves which calm down your brain. In fact, this works like a switch for part of the brain processing memory. No wonder they have given a fancy name for this simple tradition of punishing children in India, Super Brain Yoga. They are right. This is a single best exercise known to cause maximum brain stimulation in studies. They have studied Utak Baitak in mentally retarded children and found that they improved their cognition in a few weeks. It enhances memory and concentration, reduces stress, improves learning, and promotes calmness. I use this in my patients with stroke, dementia, brain injury, ADHD, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and PD. This is super effective for elders if they are able to perform this. I do it before every brain surgery in my changing room. It really helps me focus on my surgery. Those boardroom meetings are now starting with Utak Baitak in many corporations. Many schools have introduced Super Brain Yoga before every class. And next time you have a fight with your spouse, make them do Utak Baitak. It will make them wiser and won't pick up a fight again. Share this and come back for more.